What do you know here? You remember the knowledge of exponents. You try by all means to make same base again. And when you check here, base are different. So try to simplify it. Don't forget the equal sign. Or 6 can be written as 2 times 3. P plus 2. 10 can be written as 2 times 5. Again, I want 2 to be in the picture. 2 times 5 to the exponent P minus 2 all over. This one, 2 times 2, or we can write it as 2 squared. Okay. So 2 squared times P only 2P. Am I correct?
Yes.
And then times this one, 3. Again, 3 is there. So we're going to write 3 times 5. It's 15 to the exponent P plus 1. That is your honor marks. You will have the first mark here. And then the next step, separation. 2 to the exponent P plus 2. 3. Thank you. Ow. P minus 2. Practice makes perfect.
P minus 2.
So far, so good. 2 to the exponent 2P. And then, I think from this step, all of you see light now.
Yes.
So let's go to the law. Yes. Law number 1 of exponent, when base are the same,
You
we add the exponent. Law number 2, we subtract. Again. Yes, are 2. Do we have any 2 in the numerator? Yes. So let's use law of multiplication. The base is 2 to the exponent P plus 2. What is the other exponent?
P
minus 2. Next?
Yes.
And then let's go to 3 times. Okay, let me not forget equal sign. We are done with 2. I'm not done. There's 2 in the numerator. So when I go down, I subtract 2P. Sorry, I overlooked this. It's 1, 2, 3. I thought it's only in the numerator. Sorry. Next.
Yes.
Numerator we add because of multiplication, but division we do what? Subtract. The exponents. Is it fine?
Yes.
Times. Let's go to 3. Do we have 3 in the numerator?
Yes.
P plus 2
Minus P
Good.
plus 1.
Did you hear my daughter said minus? So you are going to have a bracket because it's a binomial. P plus 1. Are we fine?
Yes.
We are done with 3. So the next base case, 5.
P minus 2.
P minus 2 is in the
Minus
numerator.
P plus 1.
Minus bracket again.
Yes.
P
Plus 1.
we find.
Yes.
And then like terms in the numerator, in the exponent. P plus P. Heaven. 2P minus 2P, 0. For that, I'm left with 2 to the exponent. Heaven. 2 minus 2 is also 0. So any number to the power 0 is 1. Are we fine?
Yes.
Now help me here. Are we wrong? Girl, P plus P, 2P minus P plus P, 2P minus 2P, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. Who's the other? And then remove. When I allow me to remove this bracket, do you allow me?
Yes.
When I remove this bracket, I'll have what? Minus.
Yes.
So this will be 3, and then P minus P, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. And then again, I'm going to remove the bracket, and then I'll have what here? minus. Again.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm using red because I want you to remember what there was a bracket that changed the sign. And then P minus P.
0.
Minus 2 minus 1.
Minus 3.
Okay, we apply laws of exponents now. This is equals to 1 times 3. And then when you see this, do you remember that law of exponent? Do you remember this law?
Yes.
When I see this, agree there is an inversible 1 move. That's why I get a negative 1. But if it was 2 here, I could have said negative 2. So this one will be 1 over, when you see negative exponent, always think of 1 over 5 and then to the exponent 3. Imagine this as fractions so that you apply law or you multiply numerators. 1 times 3, 3, 3 times 1, 3. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 5 cubed. 5 cubed is 125. 5 cubed is 125. Okay.
Yes.
Amen.